Hello, I'm Philip Marris. I host with Reynald a training session called Good Lean, Bad Lean. Reynald presents the good lean part, which is the Toyota way, basically. Can you present yourself, Reynald?
Yes, hello Philippe, I'm Reynald Debaut-Henocque, and globally my career has two parts. First part, 20 years in the tier 1 for the automotive industry, and the second part, I joined Toyota in 1999 as a quality director, and I finished my career within Toyota as a production vice president.
Okay, so an in-depth experience of good lean. I'm been helping organizations for the past 30 years improve their performance using lean and theory of constraints, essentially, all over the world in all sorts of industries, from making cars, trains, planes, rockets, handbags, watches, hamburgers, and so forth. And I'm going to talk about what I've seen in terms of bad lean. Could you tell us what the content is of the course?
Yes, but globally, during this course, we will review firstly what is the DNA of the good lean, what are the role of the management, how to establish vision, how to use the values of the company, and then more practically we will review how TMMF was applying good lean in production, in quality, in supplier performance, and in lean engineering. And we will speak about standardized work and visual management. And finally, we will also review how it's needed to grow the turnover with application of bad lean, or good lean.
Thank you. And I will therefore present the bad lean part, which is, for instance, because there's no growth, why bad lean is a continuous process of headcount reductions using Japanese words, why nobody uses long-term partner relationships, why there's no lean engineering, why visual management is kind of disappointing, and all these sorts of things. So I hope you'll join us for our training course, Good Lean, Bad Lean. Thank you very much.